Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Almighty, and salawat to the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet Muhammad. I am Guru Haji Jamal Shahadan, the Grand Master of Silat Sinding Haji Hamid. I have, under the guidance of over 40 years, from my teachers including Haji Hamid, and have strived to preserve the system and honor and the wishes of my teachers. As such, the lineage and knowledge of this art is of utmost importance. Learning this art from the correct source cannot and will never be compromised. Therefore, I state the following to give all a comprehensive clarification. I, Haji Jamal Shahadan, hereby state the master under me, Guru Abbas Hussain, is my only representative and head of Silat Sinding Haji Hamid in the UK since 2009. This does not limit him to represent me or the art in other parts of the world. We strive to allow all appropriate practitioners access to the system. No other persons are authorized or have the capability to hold this responsibility or any other office similar to it, especially so in the UK, unless authorized by me, Grand Master Haji Jamal Shahadan or Guru Abbas Hussain. Only he, Abbas Hussain, has the authority through my authority and blessing granted to him to appoint and evaluate who has the capability and competence to teach Silat Sinding Haji Hamid and represent me in the UK or other countries where he expands the system. Those other than him have not shown the capability or integrity, and as such they do not have my blessings. And all certificates that they hold, although basic or if at best intermediate, are null and void. This especially includes those individuals who still mislead people as to their ability and representation of this art. Although others may question their spiritual inclinations, I personally, as a Grand Master, make this judgment not based on their religion, creed, or ethnic background, as they claim, but solely because their behavior, which lack integrity and especially their misleading intentions. If, however, during their brief stay in Malaysia, came under the tutelage of other Silat Sinding masters, it would be wise for them to state their master's name instead of using my picture, my name, and the name of Sinding Haji Hamid without my permission. I must also further state, the art of Silat Sinding Haji Hamid cannot be integrated, and I repeat that, cannot be integrated into another art or taught by a teacher who does not have my blessing and who does not have a comprehensive understanding of it through my guidance. To teach and spread this art is a great honor and also a great responsibility which has to be earned through the correct, continued tutelage and adherence to the practice and principles of conduct towards the art and its rightly appointed teacher and representative. This was adhered to by all those in our past and current lineage. To represent and teach this art is an honor and responsibility that can never be brought through monetary payment, but only through the Master's wish to impart the knowledge to you and his continued blessing, whether he is present or otherwise. If you want to truly learn this art and grasp its beauty and majesty, always seek out the authorized and capable holder and representative of his lineage. This correctly appointed continued lineage will allow you to learn it at source without physical and spiritual corruption. This art has been developed since the age of conflict began in our peninsula and has been tested in all conditions, and as such, only someone from the correctly appointed lineage will truly understand its effectiveness and have the upright moral conduct and with technical understanding needed to stop it from being corrupted and as a result create weaknesses in it. Silat Sending Haji Hamid stands alone. This is the certificate of authority which will eventually be sent to Guru Abbas Hussain in the UK, giving him authority to teach this art in UK or other countries. If he does wish to promote this art in other parts of the world, he has my blessing, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.